Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. I'm going to show you how simple it is to get started with Bold Upsell by following our easy onboarding flow to set up your first upsell group and activate Bold Upsell on your theme. In this video, we'll be using a Shopify Storefront 2.0 theme, but you can also follow this guide if you're using a vintage theme. After Bold Upsell has been installed on your store, the onboarding flow can be accessed at the top of the page. In step 1, you can choose which theme you want to install Bold Upsell on. Click Change Theme and use the drop-down menu to select your preferred theme. The second step of the onboarding flow is to enable a required app embed in your theme for Bold Upsell. Clicking Setup directs you into your theme customizer. Click Save on this page and return back to the onboarding flow. In the last step, you're prompted to create your first upsell offer. Click Setup. There are two methods to set up your first upsell offer: Smart Offers and Manual Offers. Smart Offers creates offers automatically using AI and 60 days of historical data on your store, while Manual Offers allows you to manually create any type of offer you'd want. If you'd like to create a Smart Offer, click Setup Smart Offer. If you'd like to create a Manual Offer, click Alternatively Use Manual Upsell Offers Power User. In my example, I'm going to use the Smart Offers method. Detailed instructions for both methods can be found on our Help Center. If you chose Smart Offers, review the settings on this page and click Save at the bottom of the page. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold Upsell, please visit our Help Center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.